Okay, so number 6, we have a table with a lot of data, and part A says to approximate dn over dt for 1955 using the average rate of change from 1955 to 1960, and explain what this means, or what this number means in practical terms. So essentially what I'm going to do here is I want to take 2 points and find the slope. So we get an average rate of change and slope. They're very closely related. Take the 2 points. So the 1955, that point would actually be 10, 678. And that is because this point would be like your x and y, but I put 10 instead of 1955 because everything is in regards to 1945 as the starting point. And then I want to take this as my second point. And 1960. So that would be 15, 2,793. And find the slope. So if we do that, then we should actually get 423, and this will be reindeer per year. For part B, it says use your work from part A to estimate the population in 1957. Well, we know that 1957 is 2 years past 1955. So if I take the 678, that is my starting point in 1955. And if I add 423 2 times to this, then you'll get 1,524 reindeer. And that'll be our answer.